time there is no records in the target table. That means select cust ID from the dimension table. How many records it will give? Select customer ID from dimension table. Means how many records it will give?
No records
No
are
record.
No records. That means lookup cache is empty. Correct? Is my
Yes.
lookup cache empty? 101 from in underscore customer ID. In underscore cust ID. Okay, it will go to 101. This 101 will check in the lookup cache. Is 101 exist in the lookup cache?
No.
No.
No means what it
no.
do? It will insert. Okay, it will return null. Cust ID lookup. This is cust ID lookup. Okay, cust ID lookup will return null and it will go to the router. Is null of lookup customer ID null. Next again. Now what is my lookup cache?
Zero.
Still empty only. Still empty only.
First
Now
day.
again 101 will go. Again 101 will go. Okay. There is no look. There is no match found. That means there are no records in the lookup cache. Okay. That means again it will pass 101 here. That means null here. Okay. From here null. Null means is null of lookup customer. Again insert. Will it insert second record? Will it insert like this? Yes or no?
No, because
Insert
primary
primary.
key.
Primary key. That means it will give an error. It will give an error. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
It will give an error. So that means again third record 101 is not there. Is not there in the lookup cache. Okay, that means if not there in the lookup cache means it will return null. Lookup customer ID will become null. Is null of lookup customer ID true. Insert. Again it will try to insert will fail. Only the first record will insert. The other record, two records will reject it. How to handle this situation? So this situation may happen, right, in real time?
Yes.
Yes or no? Now
Yes.
how to find? Suppose they wanted only update S3 type 1 they wanted. Only updated records. That means today 10 versions has come, only 10th version should insert. My target table should be like this. This is what I wanted. Only the latest record I wanted.
Kola?
Latest version I wanted.
Huh?
How to achieve this? How to achieve this? Did you understand what was the scenario we have not covered in S3 type 1? Did you understand please?
Yes, sir.
Until and unless this session completed, my lookup cache will not update. Correct?
Yes.
Sir, no? And next run, again it will give select customer ID from lookup table, that is dimension table, so that next run 101 will be there. Next run 101 will be there. Okay, but this run until these records completed, until the session is completed, my lookup cache will not update. Okay. Suppose if it is somehow, if we update our lookup cache, suppose is 101 exist in my lookup cache? Is 101 exist in my lookup cache? Currently again now. Now my target table is empty. Okay. So my stage table is 101 exist in my lookup cache, please.
If you update, then it will be there.
No, wait. No, understand please. Again I am explaining my target table is empty. My target table is empty. Okay, now what is my lookup cache?
Empty.
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 Okay, 101 will go. There is no match found. So that it will give 101. Okay. Whenever it insert, if it is insert here also, suppose. If it is insert here also. Okay, my lookup cache is updating. I am updating 101 with 1. Okay, now second record is 101 exist in my lookup cache?
Yes.
Yes or no, please? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, with version 1. Okay, with version 1. And if I update with version 2 now, in dynamically if I update 101 is exist, then 2 will come here. The records will 2 will come update. It is update. Okay, so 2 will come here. This records will update. Suppose. Okay, again is 101 exist? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Then if I update the corresponding version, in where? If I
Lookup
update the
cache.
corresponding version in the lookup cache, then okay, then what will happen? Then it will return 101. So 101 is already exist, so it will give from the corresponding version. Okay, so that means if we try to insert dynamically, if you try to update the cache dynamically, then this scenario will work. How it will work? First time nothing, Okay, see, first time nothing, here nothing. No, so first time empty. When it is empty, okay, 101 is coming. If there is no match found, if there is no match found, if there is no match found, then what will happen? It will give. Then what will happen? Is null of customer ID. Fine. I will insert it. Okay. And also, if I insert here also, in my lookup cache also, if I insert not only in target, if I insert my lookup cache also, then 101 is exist, and it will whatever it is going, it will go, and it will update the lookup cache also. It will update the lookup cache also. So 101 is exist, then this one will update. Okay, this record will update. This record will update. Next, 101 is already exist. If it is updated dynamically here also, okay, then this will update here. This will update here. Like this, if you do it, then this scenario will work. Yes or no? Is that correct? Yes or no? Then how to achieve this? How
Yes,
to
sir.
achieve this? How to achieve this in that is called this when a okay. I will explain in clear cut way. Don't worry. So when I okay, if the lookup cache remains the same until the session ends, that is called static lookup cache. Okay, if the lookup cache update on runtime, okay, the lookup cache insert or update on runtime, then that is called dynamic lookup cache. Dynamic lookup cache. Okay, now by using dynamic lookup cache, what is the difference between static lookup and dynamic lookup? Lookup cache remains the same until the session ends. That is called static lookup cache. If the lookup cache inserts or update on the runtime, then that is called dynamic lookup cache. Okay, now how to achieve with a dynamic lookup cache, I will show you now. Did you understand what is static lookup and dynamic lookup?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everybody
sir.
please, did you understand what is static lookup and dynamic lookup? Yeah, so now how to implement this? Yeah, how to implement this in real time, that means in our mapping. Okay, okay, I will clear all these things. Okay, so we have three values for when I'll show you. Okay, what we will do is we'll recreate a history type 1 mapping now. M underscore customers, same customers only will take it. Customers dim M underscore customers, or customers underscore dim underscore customers, M underscore dim underscore customers, SCD type 1 dynamic lookup cache. Dynamic lookup on it, what changes you will see please. So what was there? Lookup port for customer ID and version, and I will drag in underscore customer ID, and also I will drag version also. Okay, version also I will drag. Both I will drag from source. So in underscore customer ID, in underscore version, both. In underscore customer ID, in underscore version, both. Both will be there. Okay, now what I will do? Okay, in the lookup, go to properties, click on dynamic lookup cache. When I click on dynamic lookup cache, what are the changes you have seen here? What are the changes you have seen?
A new port cache.
New port has come. What is that new port name? New lookup row. Okay, changes when you enable dynamic lookup cache. Number one, it will create a new port called new lookup row. New lookup row. Okay, and also this associated expression also enabled, right? Yes or no? Is that correct? Associated expressions also enabled. Okay, so associated expression will enable associated expression ports will enable. Number three. Okay, that's it. These two changes will happen. Okay, now what I will do? Okay, condition. What condition I will give it? Same, customer ID equal to in customer ID, but here I will give in the ports version equal to, okay, this version equal to in underscore version associated expression. Version equal to in underscore version I will give it, and also I will do what? Here I will put it as insert else update. I will tell what is insert else update. Okay, these are the changes I have done. Now I will take a router again, same thing. Same, I will take a router, but here what I will do? Previously I drag cust ID. Now I will drag new lookup row and version from the lookup, and apart from that everything from the cust ID to credit limit from source. Okay, only from lookup, new lookup row and version. That's it. From the lookup, new lookup row and version I will pass it, and apart from that everything from the everything from the source. Now here I will write two conditions. What are the two conditions? This is insert, this is update. Okay, what I will write it? New lookup row equal to no. Now I will write new lookup row equal to 1. If new lookup row equal to 1, insert it. Okay, if new lookup row equal to 2, update it. What is this? I will tell. New lookup row equal to 2. New lookup row equal to 2. Okay. Now what will happen? I'll take two updates at this. Where is update? So what I will do? Same again. Version I will pass. Okay, what I will do? Instead of in underscore version, I will change to LKP version. LKP version I will change. Okay. So LKP version. Now what and all I will pass? New lookup row is not required, only for this customer ID to credit limit and version also. Customer ID to version I will pass to here. This is DD underscore insert. This is UPD underscore insert. That means properties is 0 or DD underscore insert. Anything is fine. Now the next group. This is insert. Insert is done. Next what? DD underscore update. One more updation. DD underscore update also same thing. One more target I will put it. Customer ID to credit limit and also version. And copy, paste it. The target. Control C, Control V. Okay. Then from here this is UPD update. Okay, then UPD update means what will happen? So this is also update. This is
Ah.
how I should do it. Same thing,
Last level
but
chappa.
what is the changes in static lookup to dynamic lookup?
Cheppu.
Okay, I have sent customer ID and version to the lookup, and I have written new lookup row and
Then when
version, new lookup row and version. Okay, and the condition is
Schedule అయిందా?
lookup customer ID equal to lookup customer ID, but in the ports version equal to in underscore version associate expression. What is that I will tell? Okay, and
Yeah,
from lookup new lookup row will pass out. New lookup row
అవచ్చా?
and version. New lookup row and version will pass out. Okay, when it pass out, what will happen? Okay, so what will happen? We'll see. This is LKP underscore dim.
అంటే వేరే వేరే ప్రాజెక్టులు ఉంటాయి కదా, మళ్ళీ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ వస్తే మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళకి కాల్ చేస్తారు. అది
Okay. What all changes I have done? I have done. I have enabled dynamic lookup cache here. Dynamic lookup cache, and also I have.
ఏముండదు, ఒక్కోసారి
insert
చేస్తారు
else
ఈజీ
update. What is this? I will.
ఒక్కసారి
Now how this mapping is working? You please explain.
Raj,
నేను 12 చేస్తా.
can you please open lookup
సరే
in customer ID? There is a right associated expression.
Hmm.
If there is the tick mark.
That is leave it. Okay. Now I'm not sure what is. I'm also not sure. So this is ignore in comparison. Okay. Okay. I'm also not sure. Fine.
Whatever done in you enable dynamic what is
Sorry. Come again. I enabled dynamic lookup.
yeah
I enabled dynamic lookup cache, and also I enabled insert else update. I will tell what is it. I will tell what is it. Okay. Yeah. Now I will explain now how it will work internally. Okay. So what and all we have in this stage? We have cust ID. Okay, cust name right. Cust name. Okay, and salary, location, version. Okay, this is what we have in my stage. In my target, what we have? Customer ID as primary key, cust name, salary, location, version. That's it. Okay. Now, in my lookup cache, this is my lookup cache. Okay, dynamic lookup cache. This is my lookup cache. Okay. What and all I am passing out? I am passing new lookup row. Correct. I will make it as green. I am passing new lookup row and version to out from lookup. Yes or no? Is it correct?
Yes.
Dynamic lookup cache. Okay, dynamic lookup cache. Dynamic lookup cache. There, what is the what we are giving? In underscore customer ID equal to lookup customer ID. Okay, in underscore customer ID equal to the customer ID from lookup. And what and all we are passing? What and all we are passing? New lookup row and version to the target. Okay, to the target. Now, what is this? What is this? New lookup row equal to 0, 1, 2. Okay, see. If no changes in the lookup cache, new lookup row is 0. If any record insert in the lookup cache, if any record inserts in the lookup cache, new lookup row will become 1. If any record inserts into the lookup cache, new lookup row will become 1. If any record update in the lookup cache, new lookup row will become 2. Okay. Only dynamic lookup cache. This will work only dynamic lookup cache. Dynamic lookup cache. Okay. What we need to do? What it will do? What actually new lookup row equal to 1 equal to 1, 0 or 1 or 2. New lookup row will have only 3 values. Either 1 or 1, either 0 or 1 or 2. Okay. Whenever it is 0, that means there is no lookup. There is no whenever there is no change in the lookup, it will become 0. Whenever any record insert in the lookup cache, it will become 1. Whenever any record update in the lookup cache, it will become 2. Now we will do it. Okay, how? These are the records from the stage. No records exist in my definition table. Okay, and my lookup cache also nothing. Is it correct or not? My lookup cache also first time what it do? Which query it will execute? Select cust ID, comma version from select cust ID from the version what and all it will insert? 102 with version 1. That means this 102, this 101, and whenever an insert happen in my lookup cache, what my new lookup row will become? 1. Whenever new lookup row will become 1, then router will catch new lookup row as 1, then it will go to insert. Insert means it will insert. It will insert. Next. Okay. Is 104. Well, 104. Customer ID. Is 104 existing lookup cache? No. 104 is not exist. That means it will insert with the version 1. That means new lookup row will become 1. Whenever new lookup row will become 1, what my router will take new lookup row as 1, it will execute the first rule. So first time it has inserted. Fine, no problem. So it will clear. Next time what will happen? My lookup will done. First run is done. Okay. Stage is also clear. Second run. What I will do in the second run? Also, the same one has to look at with the same day it is coming again. Same day it is coming again. 102 round, 85,000. See now. So now, what is my lookup cache now? Next run, what is my lookup cache? 3 records. What are those? Customer ID, these 3. Version, these 3. Yes or no? This is my lookup cache. Select customer ID from comma version from dimension table, because 2 lookup ports in the lookup transformation. What are the lookup ports? 2 lookup ports. See here. One is customer ID version. Leave about new lookup row. New lookup row is just a default value. That's it. Okay. Customer ID and version. That's it. Okay. So it will take and it will give. Okay. Now is 104 existing my lookup cache? 104 is already done. It's done, right? 104 is out. This one. With one new record will put it. 104 on here like this. Will put. This is version 3. This is my stage table. Stage table will clear and it will insert like this. Okay. Now check it out. So is 105 exist in my lookup cache?
No.
No means 105 will insert in the lookup cache
Version 1.
with version 1. Whenever it will become 1, this one will become new lookup row will become
1.
1. New lookup row will become 1. Whenever new lookup row will become 1, it will insert. It will insert. Now is 101 exist in my lookup cache?
Yes.
101 exist in my lookup cache? Yes. Whenever it will update the lookup cache with the associated expression. With the associated expression, it will become 2. You please check it out. 101, 2. Whenever update happened in the lookup cache, what is my new lookup row? 2.
It will
2 means 2 will go. It will update it. What and all it will update it? 101 what and all it will update it? Version first it will update, but with version 2 it will update, and the other records will update. Like this. Okay, now it is the latest record for 101. Yes or no? It's version 2. Next. So next. Next. 102. 102 will go here. Is 102 exist in my lookup cache?
Yes.
Yes. If 102 exists in my lookup cache, okay. Now what will happen? 102 will update the cache. What is the version of here? This record? 2. Is 2. Okay. Then whenever update has happened in the lookup, what is my new lookup row? 2. 2 means this record will pass now. This 102 record with version 2 it will pass. Then what will happen? First version will update for RAM and other things will go from 0. update again with 3. It's a 3. When it is 3, what is my new lookup row? 2. 2 means it will, router will catch to second group. So this will also update. Will update. This is my STD type 1. See here, all the latest versions only. Yes or no? Is all my
Yes.
latest version?
Yes.
Yes or no, please? So this is called dynamic lookup. Next one, what will happen in the next one is this. Remove, stage cleared, and my stage let it be. I'll clear later. First my lookup cache will clear. After this one, lookup cache will clear. Then in my stage, what and all I am passing. I am passing all. 105 with version 1, version 2, 105 with version 3, 105 with version 4, 106 Rajesh with version 1, 105 with 5. Okay. Now what is my lookup cache? Next one. What is my lookup cache? Tell me what are those? Cust ID is these 4 records, these 3 records, and versions, these records. This is my lookup cache. Okay. First record 105. Is 105 exist in my lookup cache?
Yes.
Yes. Yes means it will update the lookup cache. 105 with version this version. Okay. Then new lookup row will become 2. Whenever new lookup row will become 2, then what will happen? It will update it. This one is updated. It will update it. Next. Is 105 exist in my lookup cache?
Yes.
Yes. Means it will update it. 105 with 3. What is my new lookup row? When it is updated?
2.
2 means again it will update. Again it will update. Next. Again this record, third record. Is 105 exist in my lookup cache? Yes. Yes means update. The associated 4. Okay. Version. Whenever okay 4 means what will happen? New lookup row.
Update.
No.
No.
Insert in the lookup cache first. Then
there is a tick mark in LG. What is it?
I told you, right? I am also not sure. I did not. I'm not sure. I never used it. It automatically comes. It is ignore in comparison. I'm not sure about that.
No.
I have never used it. Okay, it automatically comes. Leave it. Okay. So this is about this one. Okay. Any doubts, please? Dynamic lookup cache.
Sir, please open the Excel sheet. Mapping. Sir, in the dynamic lookup cache, there is a one new lookup row is equal to 0 column. So what will be the example for that?
Suppose if the same record is coming. 1052. With same record, duplication. Duplicate record is coming. Then 105 with the 2 is there already, right?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose here only. Duplicate means here only. 105 with 2 will be there. Okay. So not here. Suppose same like this. In this case. Okay. 105 2 is there. 105 5 is there, right? So still nothing. It is not inserting. It is not updated. Then you look at
So we need
changing in the cache. Suppose change in the cache. See, 105 two times, same duplication record in this case. Okay. So this case what will happen? 105 will go here, it is there. 105 is 5, same is there. Then no source. Okay, version 1, version 2. In your static lookup cache, will it work? First time lookup cache is empty, it will go to the lookup cache, it will return null, is null of lookup cache insert. Again 105 will go, nothing will be there. Again try to insert, it will fail because customer ID is the primary key in the dimension table. Yes or no?
Yes.
So there you cannot handle. Okay, STD type 1, static lookup, static lookup, static lookup. STD type 1 will not handle. So this will handle by dynamic lookup. This will handle by dynamic lookup.
If they ask the difference for static and dynamic also, we can say this scenario.
I will tell static and dynamic. I have a PPT. I'll show you. Wait. Now, did you understand this, everybody?
Stop, one down, stop. Sir, like in static lookup scenarios, there were no versions available in source.
Why? There were no versions available in source.
So, can we use dynamic lookup as static lookup if versions are not available in source? Is it possible, sir?
No, it is not possible. No. The version should be available. Otherwise, how you will identify this is the latest version? How can you identify?
No, sir. In the earlier scenario, like for static lookup,
Static
in the
lookup also version it is coming. No, from source. Yes or no? Version is coming. That or not?
Coming for the
Yes.
Yes.
Otherwise, you should at least give a number for version. In the expression, you should take version equal to version plus 1 and you should give the version at least. Without version, nothing will happen. Either version or date or flag, anything should be there. Otherwise, if this is coming like that, then which is the new record? How will I identify?
yes, sir.
There should be something. They will give it for sure.
Yeah, we don't know what is the latest version, the latest.
Correct. Yeah, then what you will do? If you don't know, then Informatica how you will tell? If you don't know, then how you will tell the Informatica? There should be something. Either it is initiated, or there is a version, or
Sir,
it is a
yeah. Like we didn't take input of versions in lookup. That's what I'm saying. Versions were there in
correct,
source.
correct,
Yeah.
correct.
So
You are not taking.
yeah. So if we didn't take the versions in lookup for dynamic lookup, so can we?
I don't think so. You try it out. Okay, I did not try. But as of my knowledge, as of associated port is mandatory in dynamic. Without associated port, it will not work. You can try it out. If it is working, then fine.
Raj, if you place the version if you use dates, so there is any change in the logic?
There will be change in the logic. Yes, we need to change the logic dates. We should try it out. Okay, STD type 2 also we can use it. You try it out. If it's not. Okay, have to try it out. Anybody try? If it is not handling, we'll see how we can do it in STD type 2. Okay, STD type 1 first you complete it. This one and try with dates. Okay, so try to take with date. Same thing only. You will take a date. That's it. Okay. Instead of version, you will take date. That's it. So you can do it. Same thing. Try to do it. Okay. Fine. Guys, yes or no?
Sir.
Malti, is
Yes.
that fine?
I will try that, but
You try. Yes. First you do this. Complete this. Understand it. Complete it. Then go for next. Okay. First you do it and see the results. If it is coming properly, then go to the next one. Okay. Yeah. Next. Any other doubts, please?
Sir, we'll go to mapping.
Okay. Here you connect here. Lookup version. New lookup row until only router. That's it. It will not come forward. It will not come forward. Customer ID to credit limit and this version will come. Okay. Clear?
You need to open expression transfer.
Which one expression?
Yeah.
Nothing is there in expression. I just took. That's it.
Is it mandatory to
Not
take or
required,
can you
not
connect to
required.
various?
No, you directly connect to lookup. Why I take expression transformation always for queries? Suppose you drag directly to the lookup. Tomorrow, if they ask you to change something, you change to customer name, comma something, you change in the expression. Then I need to disconnect this from source. Again, I need to connect expression. Again, I need to. There will be some extra work, right? Suppose what you do without expression, you directly send to lookup. You can do it. Suppose tomorrow a change has come. Okay. So website there should be some format. You should do in expression only before lookup. Then what you need to do? Disconnect the lookup. Disconnect the ports. Then connect the expression. Then connect to the router. Then again connect to all these things. Extra work. That's why I always use the expression after source qualifier. And before target also I will use it. Here I did not use it. In real time, what I will do after source qualifier, before target 1 expression I will take. Expression will not take no performance issue in expression because no caches are there in expression and no conditions also, nothing. It is just goes in, comes out. That's it. So we can take 1 or 2 expressions more also, no problem. So that's why in real time what I will do, I always take expression after source qualifier and before target. Suppose if something they ask us to after update strategy, something they have asked us to do some changes. Okay. Then again we need to disconnect. Okay, connect an expression, do the change, send to it. Instead of that, if we have the expression after before the target, whatever we can do it, we can directly send it, right? In real time, there will be always more fields. Always more fields. 100, 150 fields will be there. Got it? Why I took expression? Did you get it?
Yes.
Yeah. But this expression is not mandatory. Directly we can send it, no problem. Clear, guys? So,
Taking filter, like you don't have any use with the filter, but you just took it for just safety purpose. Will it change the work time or run time for the session? Will it change extra
filter, why
time?
you will take it? Filter, what is the use?
No, sir. I'm just saying. If we use a empty transformation, will it change the runtime or will it slow
No,
down?
it will not change, but filter is different. No. Simply we will not take filter, right?
Yes.
Simply will you take filter? No, you should not take it. Expression simply you can take it. Because no, at least filter you write true or false condition, correct?
Yes.
At least you will write in the default is true in filter. But what is the use of taking filter? In expression there is a use. Tomorrow if any changes come, here I can directly create an output port and directly send to router. Instead of suppose if there is no expression, what will happen? I need to delete all these things. Like this it was there. It was there. Customer ID you send it to here. Customer ID you send it to here. Version you send it to here. Version you send it to here. And the remaining you are sending to router. Remaining you are sending to router. Tomorrow somebody has told 150 fields I connected like this. Some 10 fields I connected to lookup, 5 fields I connected to lookup, and all 100, 150 fields I connected to router. Tomorrow they told that address city should have some format change. Then I need to delete everything. I need to take expression. Send to expression everything. Create expression. Again I need to send here. Okay, again I need to send here. This is all extra work only, right? Is this all extra work?
Yes.
If I have like this directly, if I have, like suppose while doing developing marketing only, I develop like this. I develop like this. Now let them give whatever the change they want. Okay, I will directly create output port here. Output port. If it is going to lookup, I will connect to lookup. If it is going to router, I will connect it. Finish. Almost half of the work I saved. Okay, so expression is not having any weight. Okay, in mapping. 1 or 2 or 4, 5 expressions also not a problem. But filter router we should not use simply. When there is a use, we should use it. That's it. Got it?
Right.
Yeah. Any doubts, please?
So can you please show that from update to target what are the conditions?
That's it. Customer all same thing. Customer ready to version. Customer ready to version. Okay. Now, next is if I open the PPT, dynamic lookup cache. A lookup transformation using the dynamic cache has the properties that a lookup transformation using a static cache does not have new lookup row associated port. Then 1. If the insert happens, 0 means nothing is happened. 1. Insert the new row. 2. Update the row. Okay, that is what new lookup row is. Next, following things to be taken care when you are using dynamic lookup cache. Specify lookup condition, enable the properties dynamic lookup cache, associated port, property is insert and update, output of the associated port to be taken out to the next. If it is not there, the dynamic lookup will not work. If it is, this point is not there, output of the associated port here. I took output of the associated port version I am taking out.
Sir.
See here to the router. If you are not taking, then dynamic lookup will not work. Try it out if you want. Okay. Output of the associated port to be taken to the next transformation. Otherwise, will not work. Next. What is the difference between static cache and dynamic cache? The most asked interview question. The most asked interview question is, what is the difference between static cache and dynamic cache? Static cache remains the same during the session run. Dynamic cache changes during the session run. Okay, in static cache, we can use other than relational operators like equal to here, but in dynamic cache, we should use only equality operator. We should not use this. If you use it, dynamic lookup will not work. Okay. Leave about this. We can handle multiple matches in the static cache. Leave about this. I will explain this later. Static can be used relational factor lookups. Dynamic cache can be used in relational lookups only. I am not sure about this. You try it out. You take a file and you try it out if you want. But I am not sure about this. What is it, people? Yeah. Okay. So I am not sure about this point. Okay. Static can be used relational fact file and dynamic. They are saying only relational lookup types. But I am not sure. You can try it out. Okay. Take a file here instead of table. You take a file. Same thing you given and try for a file as a dynamic lookup. This also you take a file. Okay. Then static cache can be used in unconnected and connected lookup, but dynamic cache can be used only connected lookup. 3 things. Number 1, static cache remains the same in the lookup remains the same in static cache. Okay, cache will update. In the dynamic cache changes during the session run. Static can be used connected and unconnected. Dynamic will be only connected. We will use equal, less than or equal to all those things in the static cache, but dynamic cache only equality operator. Okay, and this one I am not sure. You please check it out. Clear, please, everybody? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Static and dynamic.
That's right.
Now we'll go to unconnected lookup. What is unconnected lookup? We will take our static lookup cache. As I told you, in dynamic lookup cache we cannot use unconnected lookup. In dynamic lookup cache we cannot use connected. That's why I am going to our S3 type 1, static S3 type 1. Here what I will do, you please observe. Everything is same. Everything is same. Okay. But what I will do, please observe. I will disconnect the connection. I will disconnect the connection. Still it is valid, no? Are you seeing? Is it still valid?
Yes, Raj.
Yes. This is called unconnected lookup. There is no connection between, this lookup is not having any connection between the mapping flow, but still it will work. That is called unconnected lookup. Connected means the source qualifier is a connected transmission. Expression is a connected. Router is a connected. Update strategy is a connected transmission. If you don't connect source, if you don't connect update strategy to the target, will it work? Is it invalid? Yes or no? It is invalid, right? At least one port should connect. At least one port should connect. Then it will be valid. That means if it is one port or not, how many ports it is connected only, no? This is connected or not?
Yes, sir.
Update strategy. Yes. So this is called connected transmission. But lookup, if you don't connect also it will work. How it will work? Okay, how? How it will take? How it will take as an input? How it will take as an output? Now please observe what I will do. Now what we are taking out from this? What we are taking out? this, we have taken out here like this, right? It was like this. We were taking customer ID to here, correct? And we were passing customer ID to here. This is what we have done, right?
Yes, Raj.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now what I will do first, I will disconnect the output. Now where output will come? I will write in expression what I am passing, customer lookup ID, right? I will write an here O underscore customer ID lookup. O underscore customer ID lookup. O underscore customer ID lookup. Okay, that is customer ID decimal 15 comma 0. 15 comma 0. Output port. Output port. Okay, done. That means whatever it is going, it will come here. How it will come? How it will come here? That means on what it is taking in underscore customer ID, right? Lookup is taking, it is giving customer ID. That customer ID it was catching router customer ID, but now I disconnected it. I use O underscore customer ID lookup. It will come here. How it will come? Now what I will do? I'll disconnect the input port also. What we are passing customer ID, right? We are passing like this, right? Correct? I will disconnect it. In here, what I will write? Colon LKP dot colon LKP dot. Take the lookup transformation name. Take the lookup transformation name. Colon LKP dot lookup function. I will write it. In the function, I will pass customer ID. Save it. Now check what it was taking, what lookup is in as an input it is taking, what lookup has taken as input previously in a connected lookup. In underscore customer ID means customer ID from, we are passing like this, right? From source, from expression customer ID, we are passing to lookup. Lookup is taking as an input. The same thing I have done. The lookup name is LKP team customers. I am passing custody. Is it same? Custody is in expression, correct? Yes or no, please? See, previously what we have done? We have dragged the customer ID to here and we renamed it as customer ID. That means unconnected lookup. That means connect lookup. We take in underscore customer ID. Customer ID as the input. It take as a input. Same, right? I am passing customer ID as the input to the same lookup, right? Correct or not? And what I am doing? And what I am doing? I am sending what I am sending out customer ID to the. Now instead of sending like this is done. This is done. Instead of sending like this, I created an output. Now it will come here. I will pass something. It will work because wherever it is taking, in which port it is taking, O underscore customer ID lookup, we are passing LKP customer ID different customer ID to lookup, and this whatever return, whatever it is written, it will directly go to here, and whatever return will come to here. It will come to here. This is called unconnected lookup. Is it valid? Yes or no? Are you getting my point? Previously we were connected like this. Okay, same thing. We are using the syntax. Syntax is colon LKP dot LKP dim customer colon LKP dot LKP dim whatever the lookup name, the same name should be there. Lookup name means this one, the transformation name, not table name. The transformation name is this one. Okay, whatever the lookup transformation name, I am using in the expression. In the expression, colon LKP dot LKP colon LKP is a keyword. Okay, this one.
Can you rewrite the condition?
Tell me. Colon LKP dot lookup name. Okay, lookup name. Here you take it from this customer because if previously you were passing this customer ID because you were passing this customer ID. Okay. Here colon LKP dot colon LKP we should have it. Yes, in lookup we should have it. Okay, so in underscore customer ID we should have it. Otherwise, it will not be. Now I will disconnect it. What are the changes I need to do now? Now I am passing version also. What are the changes I should do it for the lookup?
Right condition.
Condition version.
Comma version. That's it. Now in this lookup we are passing customer ID and version. Customer ID will go and it takes the first customer ID. Version will go and here take it and it will return customer ID. The names can be this different here. Suppose in the expression you are changing the name as E underscore customer ID. You are changing just E underscore version. The same thing can be done here. This E underscore customer ID will go to in underscore customer ID. This whatever we are passing, first input port it will take this. Second input port it will take this. The output port will come to whatever the output it will come to. Got it, please? Everybody? Did you get it? Normally we will not do it. Okay.
One field we can mention multiple.
Multiple inputs. Yes, multiple inputs. But lookup will return only one value. The disadvantage of lookup is lookup will return one value. Normally, if I take any other lookup transformation in this, we are passing two values, right? Yes or no? Are we passing two values to the now? If I want to write a lookup, see here. The disadvantage of this mapping is, if I want to write an unconnected lookup, you need to disconnect it for sure. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because no expression at all. No
Have to
expression
be
transformation.
Yes.
You have to write an expression. Okay, take an expression. That is why I always, to avoid all these things, I always take expression after source qualifier before target also. Okay. So normally what we were doing here, product ID we are passing and we are returning two values. Now how can we do it in the unconnected lookup? Tell me now. Tell me guys, how can I do it? Condition, suppose O underscore something.
O underscore product ID.
O underscore product ID. What we are passing? What we are returning? Product ID are we returning to the lookup, to the target?
No, category ID.
Category ID. So you take category ID. O underscore category ID. Okay. O underscore category ID. O underscore category ID. Okay. This is also same double. Okay. Now make it as output port. Now what and all we are passing from expression to the lookup colon LKP dot. Okay, colon LKP dot. What is the lookup name? This one, right? LKP. Smaller capitals is fine. No problem. Products, product categories. Otherwise copy paste. Okay, categories. Okay, what I am passing into lookup?
Category ID.
Check it out, please. What I am passing to the lookup? What I am passing to the lookup?
Product ID.
Product ID.
Product
ID.
Product ID. Okay, done. Done. Okay, wait. But
Category is one, sir.
Category ID.
Lookup name is wrong.
fine. Let it be. Okay, so that means it will return only one value now. Okay, it will not return two values. So in this case, we cannot write a unconnected lookup. That means unconnected lookup will return only one value. It will not return two values. Okay, it will return only one value. So in this case, we cannot write a unconnected lookup. We should write connected lookup only because connected lookup can return multiple values. If you want, you can send how many values. But connected lookup, because we are using only one expression, no? Because in expression only one port you can use, right? Yes or no? You cannot use O underscore customer ID lookup comma. Okay, we cannot do like this, correct? So always unconnected lookup will return only one value. Unconnected lookup. Unconnected lookup.
Unconnected lookup is not for dynamic.
No, we cannot use dynamic as unconnected lookup. Okay, unconnected lookup will take input as multiple values. That means we can pass same condition statements. We can pass multiple values to the lookup, to the unconnected lookup. But it will return, unconnected lookup will return only one value. Unconnected lookup will return only one value. Only one value. Okay, that is the main difference between connected and unconnected lookup. That is the main difference between connected and unconnected. Now, where we will use unconnected lookup in mapping? That is the main. Everybody will tell, okay, all this, but where we will use unconnected lookup in the use case in real time, where we will use it, that you should know. Just this and all, everybody will tell. What is unconnected lookup? Unconnected lookup, there will be no connection between any transformation. That is called unconnected lookup. Unconnected lookup will use colon LKP dot LKP lookup transformation, and we can pass multiple values. Everybody, and it will return only one value. Everybody will tell. But where you have used unconnected lookup in your mapping, where? For that I have a map. Unconnected lookup mapping document. Observe please carefully. Please observe. Yeah, that's what I am saying now. The real time use I am saying. Okay, which case you will use it. Okay. Now I have two tables. I have two tables. One is called stage implies and stocks. I have two tables. One is stage table, one is source table, whatever it is. Okay, two tables we are using. What are these? We'll check it out. STG implies what and not. Employee ID, like this we have it. And salaries. Salary we have. Salary we have it. Okay, order by salary. Order by salary. So salary 3,900 to till where we have till 95,000 all this. Next, stocks. This is there in my source table. Source schema OT. In your case, OT SRC demo. Okay. Select stocks. Stocks. This is my source table. Source table. This is my stage table. Okay. Approximately everything not required. Okay. Now what we need to pass exactly? Please observe. Okay. I have two tables please. Target. There are two source tables. One is stage table. Stage implies whatever you have it. Same thing. Whatever you have done for stage implies, you have used for STD type 2, no? Yes or no? You have used stage implies as STD type 2, correct?
Yes, Raj.
In that mapping you have used STG. Same table you take it, and extra table stocks I will send you. The stocks the table. Stocks DDL and DML, okay? Create table stocks and the insert statements I will send it to you. Insert in your source table. Okay? This is your source table. Now target tables, I have two tables. One is employee stocks one. One is employee stocks, employee underscore stocks one. Okay? So what and all I have? Number of stocks. In both the tables, number of stocks is the extra field. We check the mapping document. Number of stocks is the extra value. Okay? Extra value is number of stocks. Now, all these we are taken from the STG implies. Only employee stocks we should take from stock table. Number of stocks we should take from stock table. And what is the condition while you are taking? An employee can hold stocks only if the salary is greater than 90,000. Okay, wherever the salary is greater than 90,000, those employees only should hold the stocks. That table is called employee stocks one. An employee can hold the stocks if his salary is less than 90,000. That should pass to employee stocks one. How it is? Check it out. Target table. It is already loaded. For your purpose, is it loaded or not? Stock first. stocks or order by salary. Order by. This is output. This is what you need to flow now. This is what you need to achieve. See here. What I told, an employee can hold stocks if his salary is greater than 90,000. Otherwise, he should not hold stocks. That's why number of stocks is 0. For 3,000 to 90,000, 0 stocks. Correct? Yes or no? Is it correct, please? Yes or no?
Yes.
But
Yes.
greater than 90,000, they are having stocks. Correct? Number of stocks they are having. Whatever, how it is coming, it should take from stocks table. Fine. Next. What is the next table? Employee stocks 1. That is, an employee can hold stocks only if salary is less than vice versa. Stocks 1. Stocks, now stocks 1. Select stocks from employee stocks 1, order by salary. Now check. All these people having stocks, who is less than 90,000? Check it out.
Search.
Till 90,000 stocks are there. Greater than 90,000, no stocks. Yes or no? Clear, please, everybody? Guys, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is what we need to achieve. Okay, so we should take these two tables, then we should achieve an employee can hold stocks only if salary is greater than 90,000. Otherwise, it should pass 0 for employee stocks. Employee 1,000, they should have hold stocks if they are having salary less than 90,000. Otherwise, 0. That is what we wanted. Now, how to achieve this mapping? I will tell you. Okay, clear about the requirement? Any doubt, please? Any doubts in the requirement?
No, Raj.
Yeah, how many target tables are? Only one target.
Two. Employee stocks 1. 2 target tables. Employee stocks 1. One is employee stocks, employee stocks 1. Employee stocks, this one, this table. This is the employee stocks. This is also having same data only, but the stocks, number of stocks. Wherever, first table what? Wherever salary is greater than 90,000, for only those records, stock value should present. The number of stocks, correct? Yes or no? These are all before 90,000 or no? Order by salary given, please observe. The salary is ascending order now. 3,000 to 90,000, no stocks will be present. Check it out. This field, number of stocks, 0 or not? Yes or no, please? Next, see here, greater than 90,000, they are having stocks. Correct? Yes or no? Guys, are you understanding or not, please?
Yes, sir.
Next, the second table. Second table is what? If their salary is less than 90,000, only them should hold stocks. See here. Less than 90,000, all these people have hold stocks. In the table 1, this one, I am executing this table, stocks 1. Less than 90,000, all are having stock, but greater than 90,000, they are not having stock. Clear? Are you clear, please?
Yes.
Others, are you clear, please?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now we need to implement this mapping now. Okay? How to implement this mapping? We take
చాక్లెట్
first we will import it.
మళ్ళీ అబద్ధాలు చెప్పేది లేవని
STG implies as a source.
ఫోన్ చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు ఓకే అన్నీ ఉండయి వాడు వచ్చి చాక్లెట్ తీసుకుని అని చెప్పిన సురేష్ నక్క ఇదే తీసుకున్నావు
As a source, I am having
Eh?
STG implies.
మాట్లాడు
Now I will import stocks. In your case, OTS stocks it out.
లేచి పెట్టుకుంటే ఇస్తానంటే తీసుకోలేదంట చాక్లెట్లే కావాలని కూర్చున్నాను
Okay, this is my target, 2 targets. I have it already. Okay.
అబద్ధాలు నరుస్కా పా మీ ఇంటి పై
What is the target table name? Employee stocks. Employee stocks 1. Employee stocks.
కప్పు నీ దగ్గర
Save. Now, what I will do, please observe. I will drag STG employees target. I always love to take expression after source qualifier. If you want, you take it please. I habituated like this. From day one of my career, I habituated like this because I have faced many. One time I had 500 fields. I reworked entire day without having because I did not use expression. I reworked entire day, full day I reworked. So from that day, I always take expression transformation after source qualifier before target. Okay, if you want, you take it. Otherwise, your wish. This is not mandatory, please. Okay. Number one. Next, what I will? I will take the lookup.
Raj,
Now, yes, please go ahead.
if you're taking expression transformation means there is a difference between taking and not taking in the data.
What? Taking?
Increasing or decreasing the data or time execution.
Nothing will happen. Because expression is not having any condition, not having any cache, so it will not take any time. Same time it will take. But you should not take multiple. 100 you should not take. 10, 15 you should not take. 1 or 2 is fine. Okay.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is fine. But after that you should not take multiple. You want to take. That's it. Otherwise you will not take. Okay. So now what I will do? Now I need to join these two tables, right? Ultimately I join these two tables, right? To get employee stocks out. But to join, instead of joining, I will take a lookup. As a source now, correct? Because whenever you want to join, take as a lookup source. Whenever you want to go for S3 type 1 and type 2, then you take as a target.
Target.
Okay, did you understand the difference? Where you want to use source, where you want to use target?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you want to joining purpose, to look up one table and to get the related value. Now we are looking up stocks table and get the related number of stocks value. We are looking up to the stocks and get the number of stocks value. For that purpose, I will take as a source. Sometimes we should not take as a target. Anyway, target is different now. Okay, target is employee stocks. Okay, now stocks. So, we'll take first target. Now, first we'll take a first target. Where is the target? Under column itself. Employee stocks I'll take first. Only we wanted number of stocks. That's it, right? What I have taken, sorry. Stocks. Source. Stocks. Okay. Employee ID. The common field is employee ID. Name of the stock, number of stocks. Okay. Anyway, name of the stock is not required at all. I am removing. Only number of stocks we should pass to. But now we will do it using unconnected lookup. We will do it unconnected lookup. How to do it, please? What is now to compare? First we will rename this. LKP underscore stocks. First thing you do it. Now what you do is send this employee ID to here, but remove the connection. After sending, remove the connection. After sending, remove the connection. In underscore employee ID. The condition is employee ID equal to employee ID. Clear? Then what is the data type? Double. You make it as double. Double. Okay. Now fine. Now what I wanted from here, number of stocks we wanted, right? To out, correct? We should have passed like this, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So normally all this will go here actually. Everything will go here. Okay? Date entered is not there. If date entered, number of stocks, normally we should take it from here, but we will do unconnected lookup now. Unconnected lookup. What we will do? Number of stocks. V underscore number of stocks will take it. V underscore number of stocks. V underscore number of stocks. Variable port I will take first. Variable port. This is what is the stocks data type here. Same data type we use it. What is the number of data type? Double. We'll use the same thing. Double. Okay. Variable port. Now I will write. See, observe carefully. What I am passing to the lookup. What I am passing to the lookup. Employee ID. Now in the variable port. I will write What is the lookup transformation name? LKP underscore stocks. And what I am passing there?
Employee ID.
Employee ID. Okay. So now it will be having whatever the stocks, number of stocks, it will be having number of stocks. Okay. Now, what is our condition now? What is our condition now? See that. If the salary is greater than 90,000, now I will write output for O underscore number of stocks. O underscore number of stocks greater than 90k. Greater than 90k. This also double. Okay, output 4. This is output 4. Now I'll write if condition. If salary is greater than 90,000, if salary is greater than 90,000, then pass this variable 4. Otherwise, pass 0.
No, 0.
0. Okay? Otherwise, pass 0. That's what, right? Check it out. It is having 0. The other records are having 0, not null. Correct? Otherwise 0. That's what I told here also. I told what? If the salary is greater than 90,000, send that stocks. Otherwise 0 to the stocks. Otherwise pass 0 to stocks. Otherwise pass 0. Okay. One is done. Next. O underscore number of stocks
Less than 90.
O underscore number of stocks less than 90,000. LT less than 90,000. Output 4. Now what I will write? If salary is less than 90,000, comma number of stocks, comma 0.
0.
Okay, done. Apply, done. Now first one will go to number of stocks, will go to here. First target is done. Next target, we'll drag the next target. Employee stock. Same thing we will pass to the expression, to the date entered here also. But this one will pass here. Second one. Clear everybody now how it is working?
Yes, Raj.
We can normally how I have written like this. I have written first I have taken V underscore number of stocks. Please observe what I have given. V underscore number of stocks equal to what I have to plug. And then what I have given, O underscore number of stocks greater than 90k equal to this one I have given. Next, O underscore stocks less than equal to 90k means this I give. Normally we can do like this also. Please observe. Instead of taking variable 4, can I put like this here? See the difference? Can I put like this directly? Will it work? Will it work? Please observe.
Yes, Raj.
Yes,
Will it
sir.
work? Yes. It will work. But to simplify the logic, always our logic should be simple. So that's why I took V underscore number of stocks and I am using multiple times. So unconnected lookup can be used multiple times in single mapping. Unconnected lookup can be used multiple times. If there any other operation, if you want to use with the stock, you can use it. Correct? N number of times you can use it. Okay, now one time I have used it and one more time I have used it here. So like that, N number of times you can use unconnected lookup in the expression transformation. So for usability purpose also, we will use unconnected lookup. Here 2 times I am using, right? Yes or no? I am using 2 times the same lookup. Yes or no, please?
Yes.
So the same way, so we can use n number of times in any other expression. Suppose you wanted, use it. The same thing. Ultimately, it will give the stocks. That's it. From the, if we look up into stocks table, it will give the number of stocks value to here, whatever it is. Here it will take V underscore number of stocks. But here instead of V underscore number of stocks, I am directly using it. What
also unconnected lookup. In connected lookup, we have more features, right? So why should we prefer only for this? If anyone asks which one you prefer, means scenario in your code.
Based on the requirement, okay. Based on the requirement, you should prefer. In this case, I cannot use connected lookup because I should take the values 2 times. I should take the values 2 times. Okay. This time I should use only unconnected lookup. Okay. So based on the requirement, you should take it. Okay. Whenever you want a dynamic lookup, go for connected lookup. Because unconnected lookup will not work for dynamic lookup. Okay. So whenever you wanted to use multiple times the same lookup value multiple times, if you want to use it, then go for unconnected lookup. The same lookup value you want to use multiple times in a mapping, then instead of connected lookup, you use n number of times. Then you go for unconnected lookup. Okay. No, you cannot use one single. No. Because these are 2 different targets. I am only saying these are 2 different targets. Okay. So I did not say 1 target. 2 targets means 2 target tables only you should take. Okay. Got it?
Here the condition is greater than 90k and less than 90k, right? If without using lookup, can we achieve this?
By using joiner you can achieve. By using joiner. You join it, number of stocks is the expression, then do it. By joiner you can achieve.
Okay.
So now you create the workflow for this and run this, it will work for you. Okay? Yeah, you can, by using connected lookup, you can use it. But don't use connected lookup. Unconnected lookup, exact use I will tell you. Show you. I will show you one thing for that. So, did you understand this, please, everybody? Did you understand this topic?
Raj, Raj, you said you cannot use multiple logic in unconnected lookup.
Multiple logic means?
We can use multiple times. You said no, sir. No.
Multiple times I said yes.
For example, we can take another lookup also for not using unconnected lookup.
If you're taking one more lookup.
For taking greater than less than. For greater than, we'll take one lookup.
No, not required. No, you should not take it like that. Why?
For example, I asked.
No, for example,
Instead of taking the unconnected lookup.
You can take it if you want, but that is a waste of time, right?
Yeah, I asked just a logic. For example, it is not any idea.
So you want to use connected or unconnected now?
Just a casual ask.
No, can you ask again? I did not understand your question. Can you ask again?
Instead of taking unconnected lookup, we can take connected lookup by taking a lookup.
You can take it.
Yeah.
You can take it. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So, but in this case, we are using unconnected lookup. Okay. So because why I have told you because in the unconnected lookup we can use in the expression n number of times we can use the same lookup transformation.
Yeah, okay.
Same. That's why I have taken like if you use this, if you see n number of times I am using. That's why this lookup can be, that means n number of times we can reuse it. I'll put it here. I will show you one example for you now.
Yeah, okay, Raj.
Where exactly lookup we will use it. Now here we have taken one lookup, unconnected lookup, right? Yes or no?
Yes, Raj.
Okay. Here the return port is what? Type port. Always the return port should be there. Here I forgot to use the return port. Don't forget please. What is the return port in our mapping? Return port you should not forget. Ports, return port, number of stocks is the return port. Okay, number of stocks is the return port. Okay, so what you do is you create this mapping, create workflow on session, run it, it will run. Okay, so I already run and I told you, so no need to waste time for creating workflow because you know already. Okay, so but this is a source connection, this is a stage connection, this is a targeted connection. Okay, this is stage connection, this is source connection, this is target connection. Okay, so now, yeah, so what you do, please what we are doing exactly in this one. There is nothing here. So the lookup name is, this is the lookup name. I will put it here. In this lookup, what and all it is taking? It is taking type list name in underscore id. Okay, and the condition, two conditions. Type list name equal to type list name, id equal to id. Okay, and we are sending out type code. We are sending out type code. Output code is type code. Return code. Return code is type code. Type code. Okay. And it is taking inputs as in type list name. Input codes as in type list name. Copy paste. In type list name. Type list name, comma, in ID. So these are the input. In the lookup, input ports these two, okay, and the return port as this one, type code. Now in the expression, what we have is observe. Check. B underscore policy type equal to what we are passing. LKP, okay, and O underscore, and next again we are using in O underscore policy type. O underscore policy type equal to this one. Okay, now please observe one by one. So we have taken a lookup transformation. In that, input ports is in type list name, in ID, and the return ports is type code. That means type code will come as here, right? B underscore policy type is type code, correct? Yes or no? Yes or no, please, everybody. Whatever it is returning, whatever it is, the lookup is returning. Okay, which is a very lookup. Bring down. What it is returning? Type code it is returning. Whatever it is returning, that will be there under there in our B underscore policy type. Yes or no? Is that correct? Guys, did you agree?
Yes.
Others, please, understood or not?
Yes.
So it is returning type code. That means type code will be there in the policy type. Now what we are passing? CCTL policy type, a hard code value. We are passing to where type list name. Type list name as the CC policy type as the ID. If it is matching, then what it is returning? It is returning V policy type. Okay, V policy type is type code. Type code is suppose 100. Type code is 100. It is returning 100. Okay. Then in the expression, what we are doing? If is null of 100, then filter pass as paste. Otherwise, pass it as 100. Correct? Yes or no? So ultimately, O underscore policy type will be having what? 100. Yes or no?
Yes, Raj.
Correct or not? Okay, this is one. Next, same we are taking one more for primary coverage also. B underscore primary coverage equal to we are passing something else. CCTL coverage type and primary coverage type. And now in the O underscore primary coverage, what we are doing? Equal to is null of. Now this is for other purpose, but the same lookup, please observe. Previously we passed CCTL type and policy type as the inputs. So CCTL policy type it has taken as input in type list name, policy type as the in ID it took, and it has given 100. Now again same lookup. Is the lookup is same? Yes or no? Is the lookup is same?
Yes.
Now here we are passing different values. CCTL coverage type. In type list name we will take it as CCTL coverage type. Then primary coverage as in underscore ID. Then suppose if it returns 200. If it returns here in v underscore primary coverage? Yes or no? Yes or no, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now O underscore primary coverage is if is null of primary coverage, if is null of 200 false, that means it comes here. Okay, then it will give 200. O underscore primary coverage is 200 now. So now I am using the same lookup in different times, two times I am using. For one is TCTL policy type input and one more is TCTL coverage type primary. Now this you cannot use in connected lookup. You cannot use with a single lookup. You cannot achieve this. Can you achieve? Can you think?
More
With using single connected lookup. With using single connected lookup. Single connected lookup. Connected lookup. You cannot achieve the above. You should have two lookups. Okay. One lookup we should pass what TCTL type and policy type we should pass, and in type name equal to in underscore id, then pass type code that will come to O policy type. One more lookup you need to take again. There you need to pass TCTL coverage type and primary coverage and return as this one type list. If it is connected lookup, but unconnected, you can reuse the same lookup. Yes or no? Yes or no, please?
Yes, sir.
Guys, did you understand what is the specialty of unconnected lookup now?
Yes, sir.
Because if you want to use connected lookup, you have to take two lookup transformation. Simply two lookup transformation means two lookup caches. Okay, that will be the extra burden for Informatica. Always lookup is the extra burden for Informatica. Joiner is extra burden. Aggregator is extra burden. Okay, rank is extra burden. Software is extra burden. Which are having caches, which transformations are having caches, those are always extra burden. Now, if I reuse the same unconnected lookup multiple times. First time we are sending CC type for policy type. Second time we are sending CC coverage type primary coverage. One more also we have here. One more. This one. Now here CC coverage subtype now. This is coverage subtype. What is this? First we have sent policy type. Then we have sent type coverage type. Then we are sending coverage subtype and coverage subtype. Both. Okay. Three things. 1, 2, 3. Three different values and three different values. And it is giving whatever it is give, that will be stored in coverage subtype now. Coverage subtype equal to. This is V underscore coverage subtype equal to. And that will be V underscore coverage subtype. Same thing. Like. Okay. And we have one more also I guess. This is the insurance type also. Okay. In the same value we have written. Now colon LKP, the same lookup. Yes or no? Is it the same lookup, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now TCTL exposure type now. First we have passed policy type, coverage subtype, now exposure type. Whatever the value it is returning, if it is bodily injured damage, if it is whatever the value returning from the lookup, okay, that means what it is returning from the lookup, the return code as type code. If type code is body injury damage, then L, otherwise D. Like that we can write the lookup in the if condition. Okay. So now single unconnected lookup transformation I am reusing 4 times. Okay. But if you want to use a connected transformation here, because you are sending multiple values, different values, okay, it will take, you should use different lookup transformation. So that is where it will be extra burden for Informatica. So this is the perfect one. You use it in Informatica. Okay, but the only disadvantage is it will return only one value. Unconnected lookup will return only one value. That is the only disadvantage of unconnected lookup. Advantage is we can pass multiple values. We can use it in condition. We can, for instead of taking 5 connected lookups, you can use a single unconnected lookup. But the only disadvantage is lookup will return only one value. Lookup will return only one value. Clear, please? The difference between connected and unconnected lookup clear?
Raj, here input codes you mentioned in type list nm comma in underscore id. In these three statements, primary coverage and coverage subtype, these both are like in underscore id.
Yes. Policy type, primary coverage subtype. partial coverage subtype, coverage subtype, exposure type. That is in underscore type list. This is string value. Type list name is a string value. Correct? That's why maybe type list name is string value, right? Yeah. Type list name is string value. Yes. That means this one. Type list.
Okay.
This is double policy type, primary coverage. These are the numbers. See here ID. It's a double value. Okay. Then name also. See name, description. Okay. Name, description. These are the values in the lookup. Inside the lookup, name underscore description. Name equal to type list name. Description equal to ID. Description is nothing we are using. Name and what we are giving. Type list name equal to in underscore type list name. ID equal to ID. Both. But these are waste codes. We are not using it. Name and description we should have deleted, but not deleted. Only the return port is hide. If you delete it also, it will work. Name underscore name and description we are not sending anywhere. Okay, only return port is type code. That's it. If you delete also, no problem. Okay, got it, please.
Yes, sir.
Sir, sir, there we are using two char. So we are using two char to match the data type, sir, or
Yes, to match the data types. Yes. To match the data, because here see L and D. Okay, whatever it is sending, it will convert to. Yes, you can leave. So no topic. This is the last topic we are covering. So the L and D are what? Whatever it is returning, we are sending two char because policy type is a two char value. Just a character. See, primary coverage is string value. That's why the return port also will take it as a number but will convert it to char and it will send it to. Got it, please?
yes.
Everybody got it?
Yes.
So clear unconnected lookup. I will send the mapping document of unconnected lookup. You please do it. So what and all I sent today? Talks, DDL and DML. You create in source schema. Okay? Then target employee stocks one. Target. Okay? Then today's notes. Unconnected lookup. I will send the mapping document of unconnected lookup and the this one also. But PPT. Then difference between unconnected lookup. That's what. Okay? See, custody in custody. Okay, what it will take? Input port. Whatever we are sending, it will send to this input port it will give, and whatever it is returning R port, it will come to this lookup custody. Previously, it was going connected. In an unconnected lookup, it will come here. Instead of going there, it will come here. From here, it will pass through. Correct? Yes or no? Is it right? Yes, sir. Yeah, that is what we are doing. Then dynamic lookup. I have given the mapping file, XML file. Unconnected lookup also I have given the XML file. Both. Okay. So I'll put this also here for your understanding. This also I'll put it in this so that you can take it forward. If you have any doubts. Tell me.
Previous class notes also.
Yeah, I will send both. Yesterday night could have sent, but yesterday night I was busy. I'll send now. Okay. So unconnected lookup, I'll explain the difference. What is unconnected lookup? See, interview questions on lookup also I have given. Interview questions on lookup. These are all the lookup questions they will ask. Okay. So go ahead and see that difference between connected and unconnected lookup. Okay. Connected lookup. Connected lookup is a part of mapping data flow, separate from the map of data flow. Next, return multiple values by linking output ports to the another transformation. Correct? Connected lookup can return multiple values. Yes or no? If you from lookup you take three outs to the router, it will give three return values, right? Yes or no? Yes or no, please? Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Return port. By checking return R port option, only it will return only one value. Okay. Now execute every record passing through the transformation. But unconnected lookup execute when the lookup function is called. Wherever the lookup function is called, it will execute that. More visible, shows where lookup values are used, it is less visible. Okay? Because please take it forward and please practice them. Okay, dynamic lookup, unconnected lookup. Lookup is more important, please. More and more you practice, how much ever you look up more, that will be useful for you when you go to the interviews or when you go to the project. See, in this mapping, we have used almost how many lookups? Lookup 1, 3, 1, 4, plus 2, 7, plus 1, 8 lookups. Always we will use lookups. Only these transformations we will use. Very rarely we will use all other transformations. Okay. Always we use parameter, expression, lookup, filter, expression, aggregator, router, lookup, filter, router, updation. Only those. Rank, very rarely we will use it. Normalizer, transaction control, very rarely we will use it. Sorter we will use it. Yes, sorter. Okay, we have used it before aggregator maybe. Okay. So these are the main things we will use it always. So concentrate on more on this. Okay. So if you are very good at these things, you will do that. Okay. Got it, please?
Raj, the only change to mini project is we have taken files. Now from source we need to change.
Yes. Change the files to tables. That's it. Load the file data to source tables. Use the source tables as the sources. Okay. You want it written?
No.
No, others maybe. Okay. Change the files as tables. Change the files as tables means what? You need to do a one-to-one mapping. Load the data from file to table and use these tables as tables. Okay, this is what you have to do. Got it, guys? Everybody?
Yes.
Okay, do it. Okay, when you do it, because we will do multiple mappings in the project. Okay, we will get something. Okay, when you do more and more, you will get confidence. Okay, I can do Informatica with myself without nowadays everybody are asking support, right? If you see the group in our group, the system group is there, no? My group, 1,000 people are there, no? There daily 2 people will be asking, can I get the support? Can I get the support? Where you will get the support? If everybody wants the support, from where you will get the support? 1 or 2 means we can get the support. But everybody is asking the support means no, you cannot get the support. You have to do in this way. So that's why I'm saying from day one, you practice. When you practice, at least okay, see, you can try it out. Maybe at the initial stage it will touch you. When you try and you ask somebody, they will surely help you. If you don't try, nobody will help you. Okay. So at least for trying purpose, you complete all the mini projects, whatever I am telling. Okay, all those things you please complete. Okay. So tomorrow. Mapping and view translation. Fine. We'll see what is mapping, what is view translation tomorrow. Okay. That's fine, guys. Yeah.
Can you share this one also?
Which one?
Now in the screen.
This I cannot share. No. This is my office. I cannot. I should not share. Okay, but I'm showing you this. Current project I am working on. Okay, so I cannot share. Okay.
Raj, this project take how many days?
This is not. That's what I am saying, right? This has not done in 1 day, and requirement also not. First they have given two sources. Okay. Then we have implemented with 1 lookup, 1 expression. Then change it. They added 2 more lookups. Then we have added 2 more. Then we have added, like almost we have worked 2 to 3 months. Okay. First time we have take 5 days. 5 days for 1 week. Then again for that we took 1 more week. Then again 1 more requirement, 1 more sprint, 1 more requirement, 1 more sprint, like that. Okay. Fine.
Yeah, okay.
Like that. So nobody will give the this much complex in a single day. Nobody will give. It will be improving wise. Now my mini project we are improving day by day, right? Yes or no? First time what we have done directly we have done. Then we have parameterized it. Then we have changed our to logic. Okay. So then what we have changed. Then so now I told you to change from file to table. Like that we have changes from ultimately. Okay. Got it?
Okay, Raj.
I will see. If I have it, I will show.